In this video, we're going to discuss creating a custom index. This is a process that I've never used, but I'm very excited to be able to run a custom index so I can provide resources to my teachers. So in order to run this custom index, we need to start at the Reports tab and then choose Report Builder and then New Report. So we're going to keep the report in our library and we're going to run the report by titles. Then choose the blue arrow to continue. Now in this report, I want to include the subject, the title, and the lexile of the items that I choose. And blue arrow to continue. Now in step 2, they're asking us how we want the report grouped. So do we want to group by lexile, subject, or title? And since I've already stated that I want lexile, subject, and title, I don't need to necessarily group the items again. Blue to continue. And then they're going to ask me what order do you want to see these items in. And so I'm going to ask for the lexile first and then the title next. So lexile first, then title, and then subject, because I'm going to limit by subject, so it doesn't really matter that that's included. Then it's going to ask me how I want the report sorted. So again, I want lexile to be at the top. Next to step 5. Now this is going to ask me how I want the report summarized, and I don't have to worry about selecting anything here. And then for limiters, now I do want to limit the subject, and here I'm going to ask for the subject to contain history. I know that I have a group of students coming in after spring break to check out fiction books, but they need to have subject matter related to history. So I'm going to name this History List, and I'm going to say, as my description, this is a test to create a custom index. Then I'm going to save and run. Now if I refresh, and this may take a while because I may have a large number of books that include the subject matter history, and when I was creating my report, I did not ask for only fiction. So this could be another reason that my report is going to be large. So now I'm going to say view the report, and we can notice here that the report seems to just be absolutely humongous, right? And then we can also see that at the top there were a lot of books that did not have a lexile included. And then here at the bottom, we notice that a lot of lexiles show up as we scroll. So I noticed the lexiles started showing up. So what I may try to do is go in and explore through that process. I'm going to go to Report Builder again. And I'm going to try to find the report that I just created. I'm going to try to edit that report. And so this time, when I get to that limiting phase, okay, report limiters, I'm going to try to choose call number if I can. And see, I don't see call number as a limiter so that I can only get my fiction. And that's what I have learned right now as far as ways to search by fiction only was by using call number and going through a power search. So that is something that I can explore in the future. If you guys know anything about building these reports, but letting them only contain fiction, please let me know. And I do want to say to you that that's something that I have learned, is to go in to my catalog and then choose the power search. And in that power search, I'm able to just go in and go F to F. And then I can choose history. And I could go down here and choose Lexile under reading programs. And I can go in Lexile and I could put a range, maybe 600 to 900. And then I could perform a search. And then you notice that I only have just these 194 books. And so then I have plenty of history, and then I have the Lexile that I want, and this sort of situation. So I'll definitely be working on using it from the custom index standpoint, and I hope to get some help with that. Thank you for viewing my video on creating a custom index.